how to switch from Streamlabs desktop to OBS. So first you'll want to move your scenes from Streamlabs desktop to OBS. So here I will show you how. You want to make sure that you have both Streamlabs desktop open and your OBS. So make sure if you don't have OBS downloaded yet, go ahead and download that first before starting. Once you have OBS open, you're going to want to go to the bottom right hand and go into settings. After opening your settings, you'll want to stay on the General tab, scroll down until you see Importers, and make sure you click this on the Search Known Locations for Scenes Collections when importing. Make sure you click that and then do Apply. You'll then come up to the Scene Collections tab and go into Import. All of your scenes from Streamlabs will be on there. I have one of my scenes named Purple Clouds, so I'm going to click that. Then you want to go over and, of course, press Import. Once everything has imported, you want to go back into Scene Collections, and mine is named Scenes itself from my Streamlabs, and everything that you had from Streamlabs should be imported, but I would recommend going in and making sure that everything transferred over correctly. And then, of course, we'll still have to adjust some of like the video capture, for example, but just making sure most of everything imported and transferred over into your OBS. I have been streaming on Streamlabs desktop, but I am currently trying to switch over to OBS, so that's why I have this going, and I guess I'll make it a little series on let you guys know how it goes switching over to OBS. If you have any tips on using OBS, please let me know. I'll show you guys more as I go along trying to convert everything from Streamlabs desktop to OBS. Bye!